And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the Firgure-rise standard Kamen Rider Geiz. Yes, this is the secondary rider from the series Kamen Rider ZO. And as you can see in his box art, we can see Geiz there with his signature weapon that turns into an axe and into a bow. And of course, we have the Jiku driver here. So off to the side, we see Geiz, front and back, some poses that you can do with him, some gimmicks. And and here is what I'm telling you, wherein his signature weapon can turn into a bow or into an axe. And off to the other side, we see Geiz. More information on him on the show, about the kit and other details. So that's what's at the box. Let's see what's inside the box. First off, we are greeted with one bag with one sprue, all black. Second bag with 1, 2, 3 sprues, one all black, one all red, and a clear piece. Third bag is 3 sprues in it, some blue, some gray, some white. Next is more red parts, 3, and more blue parts, grayish blue parts. Next is the sunlight stand and the stickers. And lastly, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first up, we have the A3. So surprisingly, there's no A1 or A2, but we have an A3, which is a darker red color of Geiz, suit. We have the A4, which is, I think, the same as ZO's. We're in. Yes, we have the driver here and part of the face. So that's the A4. We have the B sprue, gray. So yeah, most likely the same as ZO, because ZO also has these parts here for the belt and for his in his arms. So that's the B. Then we have the C1, which is most likely parts just for Geiz. Grayish blue, C1. We also have the C2, which is a part of C1. Let me just get C1 again. Yeah, this part here. So that's C2. Then we have a D3, which is a all black, and we can see Geiz signature weapon here. Other parts of Geiz is here as well. So that's the D3, and we have a D4. Again, more parts for Geiz, for his face and some parts of his body. So that's D4, and we have a D5 actually, which is part of his face. This actually reads out as rider. And then we have an an E1. More parts for Geiz. And this also has an E2, which is a quarter of E1. So E1, and then we have E2. Of course, the standard stand is still here. They have a sticker sheet for Geiz, and another sticker sheet here, which is for the back of his clear piece. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Firgure-rise standard Kamen Rider Geiz, the second rider to Kamen Rider ZO. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, hitting that notification bell, sharing the videos, and this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.